Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorials. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a speaker animation that is synced with the music. So let's just get started. So I'm just going to create my background. I already have some presets. So first I'm going to create the speaker. So the speaker is pretty simple, just a simple rectangle. I'm gonna center that, and a circle. I'll center that as well, and I'll duplicate that and put that at the bottom. There we go. And also there's a smaller circle within this circle, and I'm going to duplicate that as well and center these up. Okay, so I'll just fill this in pretty quickly. I'll choose a simple gray for this as well, and for the smallest circle I'll just choose a sort of white color, and I'll do the same for this one. Okay, so we have our speaker here. Now I'm just going to group these. Great, so now let's get to our animation. The animation is a simple grow slash shrink animation. So as you see, it grows. So I'll open the animation pane and I'll just carry the duration down to 0.01 seconds. I'll double click on this, and which will take me to the effect options, and all I simply do is drag this bounce end all the way up and click on auto reverse, and we have that jumping effect there. Now to sync it with the music, this is where most of the work comes in. Now what I did, I put my music into a software. This software is called Audacity, and I looked for the time that the kick drum strikes. So the first kick drum strikes here, which is at 0 seconds, and the second one is at 0.75. So I have my first animation at 0 seconds, and the second animation will be at 0.75. Now, with most music, the kick operates on a steady beat. So once you can find that steady beat and calculate the seconds, and it will be easier for you to animate. So I'll add another grow slash shrink animation and follow the same process. I'll just let this with previous. Now this can be a bit time consuming because you can't duplicate the animation just like that. So I'll change the delay 0.75. Wait, sorry, my the kick actually goes at 0.38. and the third kick comes in at 0.75. So this is 0.38, and the third kick comes in at 0.75. Sorry, so I'll just add another animation, same animation with previous, carry it to 0.75, and you have to remember to go back into these options and to turn on and click on the auto reverse. You have to remember that. So what we have is this. When we add the music, I'll just use this same audio that I have in the other one. So when we play, this is the first 3 kicks, and it repeats this pattern throughout the song, so I can repeat it after. So basically you can repeat these steps throughout the song. You find the time that each beat it hits, and you add it in the animation pane. You add it in the time at which it hits. So I'll just add one more of the animations. Same thing with us. Change the duration, and this animation comes in at 2 seconds. And basically this is the pattern here: kick 1, kick 2, kick 3, kick 4, and it repeats throughout the song. So all I have to do is basic maths, sand it up, because most songs, the beat usually continues throughout that rhythm and it doesn't change. So I just have to add the maths. So this last beat is 2 seconds, this one is 0.38, so the other animation will be 2.38. Now you have to remember, I forgot there, to click on these settings. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. This is 0.75. So then this next animation will be 2.75. Now what I did to speed up the process, I let the audio, I went into the audio tools, and under playback I allowed the audio to play in the background. And what I did, I duplicated the slide a couple times until it fills out the space of the song. So while the audio plays, the animations will remain the same. And what I did, I used my keyboards to toggle through the slide, to toggle through each slide. So the song will keep playing in the background, and I use the keys to navigate each slide as it goes throughout the song. And that's basically how it goes. So that's basically the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You could use this effect with many other different techniques. You can try it with your voice. If you want something to move to sync with your voice, you can try that. And you could feel free to experiment and be creative. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and a comment. Let us know what you want us to see next. Please subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching.